Hi everybody, today I am unboxing and reviewing this food dehydrator. I bought it several months ago and pretty much I bought it for $60. This was the second cheapest food dehydrator that I could find on the market. Now, what I can tell you about this machine is that it's very light, and the reason of this is because the trays are made of plastic, and at the same time it's not too big, so it's quite easy to storage this machine in any place that you have. It comes with a fine mesh to dehydrate herbs, as well as this tray to make fruit rolls, and of course it has 5 different trays to dehydrate whatever you want. Now, inside of the manual, it will give you instructions of how to dehydrate vegetables, fruits, and meats. And the cool thing is that it gives you an idea of how thick you have to cut the fruits or vegetables, as well as the time and the temperature that you have to put in order to dry or dehydrate whatever you want to dehydrate. So that part was amazing. Now, in order to dehydrate my tomatoes, I have to make slices of 6 millimeters, then place them on the trays without overlapping them. A very important detail that you have to remember is that even though you just have one tray full of tomatoes, you still need to put the other 4, even though they can be empty, but you still need to put them on the machine, so remember that. Now, the final step was setting up the machine to 125 degrees for 10 hours. The majority of the tomatoes were dry after 10 hours, but some of the tomatoes were thicker and those ones took longer, so I had to set the machine for 6 more hours just to make sure that they were fully dry. By the way, the machine is a little bit noisy, so I ended up putting it on the basement and that helped me a lot. Here you can see the tomatoes that were thin, they were quite dry, but the ones that were thicker, they still have a lot of juice inside, so yeah, I had to dry them more. Now, I ended up using this dehydrator the entire summer, and that means 4 months. Pretty much every single day I dehydrate some fruits or vegetables, and I didn't have any type of problem, so I really like the machine. It was easy to clean, by the way. Now I'm going to keep using this machine because I have still a lot of things to dehydrate, so if you have any comments or questions, don't forget to write them here below, and see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!